that danger permission mode I showed you in the last lecture has some potential problem. So you don't want to erase your hard drive. That's why there is also a safer way of running Claude in that mode. Only if you have Docker installed on your system. Because if you have installed Docker, only then you can use the Docker sandbox feature, which is relatively new, and it completely allows you to run things and tools inside the Docker sandbox. So here is how you can run Claude inside a Docker sandbox. Let's run a command, docker sandbox run Claude. Press enter. And what this will do is, it will now set up a Docker sandbox and wrap your local project in that sandbox. And now you can use Claude Code in this sandbox environment. And here you can work with the dangerous skip permission flag mode. Because in this mode, in this sandbox mode, Claude Code cannot touch your computer, your system. Even if it wrote a script that erased the hard drive, it would not be able to go out of that sandbox. It would be limited to this project only. And that's why Sandbox is a safer way of running this flag. But yes, it can still do weird stuff with your Git. So this is something you have to be aware of. So when running this, I have to go through with few setups again because it's a brand new system. But I already installed Docker in my system. So here we can see that it start Claude agent in Sandbox environment. So as you see it, by default, it runs in this bypass permission mode. So I accept it, and now it is able to work on this project. Now Claude is able to add any file, and Claude is also able to edit any file inside this project, but it would not be able to do anything outside of your project. So you can use Docker Sandbox because it is just a bit secure when using this danger skip permission mode. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content, and if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye bye.